Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. I got a bunch of stuff that's arrived from Amazon and some little mystery package that's not from Amazon here on John's Home Shopping Network. So want to get this stuff out of its bags. So let's do that together. Here we are on the bench. I thought I might do this first. I'm not sure what to expect in here. This package is not from Amazon, but I think it's not from China either. Maybe it is, I'm not sure. It's a bit confusing. I've just dropped a bit of stuff, let me pick it up. Got it. So let's get in here, huh? I think it is from China. It is from China after all. Now, where's my... pocket knife? Sorry about that, I'm back. Just get myself a blade. There we go. Alright. Well, this is a ripper. Yes, I was hoping to get this. This is I was supposed to get one of these in an order that I sent recently, and for some reason it wasn't in the box it was supposed to be, and that's why I've reordered this particular bag, because you can never have too many spudges, right? And this is for what you do is you stick your iPhone in between these two suction cups, and then you pull like this, and it'll pull the faceplate or the screen off. I think you have to heat it as well. So yeah, isn't that cool? Very cool. So I'm happy to have one of these in the drawer. I might as well put it in the drawer. Or we'll put it all on the bench to start with. And the rest I'm expecting here is just plastic spudges and such. Oh, look, that's a nice touch. They've given us a pouch. Wow. There's rubber bands and everything. What do we got in here? Oh. I'm going to put this pouch in the drawer. I don't need it for anything. Now, okay, interesting. So here is the driver. So we've got this driver here, and these bits. Very cool. Very cool. Is there a thing? There is a thing. So you can put that over the top and screw it on. Cool. Yes, and I like these. These are good to have. Just a good metal spudger. Very happy about that. Now these rubber bands, I'm just going to put them in my rubber band drawer, which is now it's now on my bench up here. So okay, this is a suction cup thing too. It's sort of like one half of one of these. You just put it on, and then you pull the thing, and it sucks on. That's good. And this is of course a magnetizer and demagnetizer, so I'm just going to keep that here where I keep such things. And what else have we got in this bag? So okay, we've got a little box opener thing, and we've got a little SIM card remover thing. Now I keep my box openers in here. Might as well keep that in there as well. I've got a spot for these suction cup things. Okay, here's a plastic spudger, and I'll put it in my plastic spudgers box. Okay, and we've got two types of tweezers. Very good. Nice looking little brush. That's good. These are the bits and the driver. And what's in here? Yes, now I have to tell you, I'm a big fan of this B7000 glue. It smells great, and it's good. It's very flexible, which is what you want in a joint sometimes, isn't it? Oh, look at these. They look like little sanding sticks. Great. And I'm not sure what these are. Some sort of I don't know what you use those for, if they're for fixing iPhones with or something. I don't know. Interesting. I don't know. If you know what these are for, what do you use little plastic slips like this for? I'm not sure exactly. This is billed as mobile phone repair tool, screwdriver, tablet, battery, disassembly, screen opening, dust cleaning, disassembly set, small, pentagon, color, 10-in-1 gold. So who really knows what these are for? I don't know. I'm not even sure where I'm going to keep them. Okay, cool. Well, it's a very miscellaneous thing, isn't it? Very miscellaneous. And what's this? I wonder if it's a desoldering tool. Is that what it's for? You put it there and suck up your solder? I'm not sure. I don't know. Is this a desoldering tool? If you know, let me know. So, okay, that was our mystery package. And the rest of our stuff is from Amazon. So let's see what's in this package. What do I do with those scissors? Here we go. What do we got? Yes. I'm going to keep this, and I'll do an unboxing video for it. I really shouldn't have got this. I promised myself I wouldn't, and I did. It's software-defined radio, so it's RF, and I'm supposed to be staying in digital electronics land and not getting addicted to radio stuff, but I got myself a radio. I was buying something else, and they offered it to me, and I was like, alright, fine. So I did it, and now I've got it, and we'll have a look at it together sometime, but not with priority. So yeah, in case it wasn't clear, it's the RTL-SDR.com software-defined radio, which I know absolutely nothing about, so I thought I'd learn about it. That's why I got it. Now, I'm just going to put the blade away here so I don't drop it on my foot or something embarrassing and painful. Let's get in here. So this is another bag from Amazon. Alright, looks like a couple of USB bits and pieces. So I got myself some more of these because you can never have too many, am I right? This is just USB 2 type B to type A, just an adapter B to A for USB 2, and similarly some breakout extension cables and the like. So yeah, well, I'll file those later on. Now we've got 2 more boxes to go. How do we get in here? How about down here? Yeah, that looks pretty good. There we go. What have we got? Oh, it's a HDMI switch. Okay, that's great. So, this is a HDMI switch. I've got one at the moment up the back of my lab that way, and it's a 5-port, and this is an 8-port, and it can do 4K, but I don't need it to do 4K. So this is an 8-port HDMI switch. It's not a KVM. It doesn't have USB or anything like that. It just does the HDMI switching, and I've got one at the moment that's hooked up with 5 ports, and it's full. So if I get this, I've got 3 extra ports. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing video for this as well. So today is just the mail call. I'm not going to show it to you, but not today. But I will do a mail call video for that switch. Sorry, an unboxing video for the switch. What I'm trying to say. Now, this is our last box, and it's kind of big. So I'm not sure what we're expecting here, but we'll know pretty soon. Alright, what have we got? Oh, it's Amazon. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's not super exciting. There we go. Yep. I got myself some really long pegboard pegs. These are really long, so that I can get the maximum capacity on my board. So that's what these are, and that's all they are. So not super exciting, but very practical for me, and I'm glad I've got them. I'm going to start using them. So I think that's everything. I'm going to throw you over the farewell cam, and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So yeah, today was just a quick mail call. Got a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I usually tell you what my favorite thing was. I suppose today my guilty pleasure was the software defined radio. I am secretly very much looking forward to playing with that and seeing if I can pick up any signals floating around out there in the ether. The least in there was a lot of good things today. These are boring, but they're handy. I'm really glad to have those pegboard hooks, and it'll be good to install the new HDMI KVM. There's a KVM up the back there where this will go. So yeah, that's good. I suppose the least favorite things today were probably these USB doodads, because they're pretty boring, really, aren't they? And special mention for my spudger set. That was the phone repair set. That was fun. That was cool. I don't know what I don't know what those plastic sheets are for, but you've got a bunch of natty tools that are could be just the tool you need, you know, and you need that tool for the job, particularly that suction cups for pulling the face off a thing. You can imagine that could be useful, and if you needed it, now I've got it. So I suppose the other thing I should point out is I just installed these this morning. So this will be the first video I record with my new drawers up the back here on my pegboard. But this video, just because of how everything's going to come out, this particular video is going to come out in a couple of weeks. So these will be seen in an earlier video, even though technically they've just gone in this morning. Time is kind of multi-dimensional around here. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.